Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. We're very happy to see you today.
Paul, can you believe December is almost over?
I know, time flies so fast. Sometimes it feels scary.
That's true. I feel the same. Many people think, the year is finished. Nothing can change now.
But today's topic is special. We will talk about how to use the last 11 days of December 2025 to change your life.
Yes, even a few days can be powerful.
Charlie, some people feel tired at the end of the year.
That's normal. But these last days are not for pressure. They are for reflection.
Good point. First, take one day to look back. Ask yourself, what did I learn this year?
Exactly. Not, what did I fail? But, what did I learn? This changes your mindset.
Then, use a few days to build small habits, very small,
Like reading 5 minutes in English.
or writing 3 simple sentences every day.
Yes, small actions feel easy, and easy actions continue.
Another idea is to clean your space.
I love that. A clean room gives a calm mind.
You can also clean your phone. Remove apps that waste your time.
That's true. I feel more focused after doing that.
Then, set one clear goal for 2026. Only one.
Not 10 goals, just one strong goal.
For example, I will speak English confidently.
And in these 11 days, take the first step.
Practice speaking, even alone, even with mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
So friends, remember this. Your life does not change in 1 year.
It changes in small moments, small choices, and small days.
These last 11 days are a gift.
Use them with hope, not regret.
Start small. Stay kind to yourself.
And believe that you can grow step by step.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.